Hello, my fellow YouTubers. If you're watching this video, then you, like me, own the piece of garbage Samsung RS263TD Refrigerator, and you're having problems with the defroster freezing up and the cooling fan making noise. So I'm sure you've seen the other videos on YouTube about how to remove the back panel, get to the circulation fan, and defrost the ice off of there manually. And luckily, I stumbled across the service manual for this machine. And I found that there is a way to use the control panel on the front to manually trigger the defrost cycle. And in my case, doing this 3 separate times did melt the ice enough to where the noise stopped and the machine is working fine again. Until next time, obviously. So that's the purpose of this video. I'm going to walk you through the very simple steps of doing this, and let's get on with it. So it's very simple. You press simultaneously the 2 buttons lighting and fridge and hold those down between 8 and 12 seconds. Then you can release it and then press any one of those 4 buttons on the top. Do not press ice type or water, but any of the other buttons. If you press one of those 2 times, that will take you to the defrost cycle. You'll hear the compressor stop and the panel will start beeping. The cycle lasts for 30 minutes and the system then will reset itself back to normal. So I suggest you try it for 30 minutes, see what you've got, and repeat if necessary. Obviously, disclaimer here, I take no responsibility for any damage that you might make to your own refrigerator. But hey, the purpose of this is to share knowledge and to hopefully help somebody and keep you from having to tear the whole thing apart again. So hope this was of assistance to you, and good luck to us all.